Behind, a dog behind the table. Around, a dog moving around the table. Under, a cat is sleeping under the table. Across, a dog is running across the table. Above, the cat is sitting above the table. Through, the dog is looking through the table. Inside, the cat is sitting inside the table. Far, the dog is far from the tree. Between, the cat is sitting between the tables. Beside, the dog is sitting beside the table. Near, the dog is sitting near the table. On, the dog is sitting on the table. Below, the cat is sleeping below the table. Over, the cat is jumping over the table. Opposite, the cat and the dog are sitting opposite of each other. Up, the dog is looking up. Down, the cat is sitting down the window.